This is my first attempt at creating a metahuman inside Unreal Engine 5. To create this metahuman, I scanned myself using Polycam and generated a 3D mesh file. I saved the mesh file in .glbf and transferred the file into Blender to create a .fbx file. I transferred the .fbx file into Unreal Engine 5 and used the metahuman plugin to generate the metahuman version inside Unreal Engine 5. And as you can see, it can mimic most of the head movements and the gestures on the face landmarks. It is trying to mimic the facial gestures while I speak, but it's not exactly perfect, which means there are some rooms for improvements, which will be the next steps for this project. But it can detect most of the big changes on the facial landmarks. Another good thing is that it can detect the eye movements pretty well.